Investing in penny stocks can be a risky but potentially rewarding endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in penny stocks. 1. Understand the risks. Penny stocks are highly volatile and speculative, meaning their prices can fluctuate wildly. They are often traded on over-the-counter, OTC, markets, which have fewer regulations than major exchanges. This makes them more susceptible to manipulation and fraud. 2. Choose a reputable broker. Not all brokers allow trading in penny stocks. Find a broker that is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and offers access to OTC markets. Consider factors like trading fees, account minimums, and platform usability. 3. Do your research. Before investing in any penny stock, conduct thorough research on the company. Read financial statements, press releases, and analyst reports. Check for regulatory filings and news articles. Understand the company's business model, industry trends, and competitive landscape. 4. Set realistic expectations. Penny stocks are not guaranteed to make you rich overnight. Many penny stocks fail, and even successful ones can experience significant price drops. Approach penny stock investing with a long-term mindset and be prepared for potential losses. 5. Start small and diversify. Don't invest all your money in penny stocks. Allocate a small portion of your portfolio for penny stock investments. Diversify your holdings by investing in multiple penny stocks from different sectors. 6. Set stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an instruction to sell your shares if they fall below a certain price. This can help limit your losses if the stock price drops sharply. 7. Monitor your investments regularly. Stay updated on company news, industry developments, and market conditions. Regularly review your penny stock holdings and make adjustments as needed. 8. Seek professional advice. If you're not comfortable making investment decisions on your own, consider consulting a financial advisor who specializes in penny stocks. Remember, penny stock investing is not for everyone. It requires a high level of risk tolerance, extensive research, and a disciplined investment approach. Only invest money you can afford to lose and be prepared for the possibility of significant losses. Investing in penny stocks can be a risky but potentially rewarding endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to